the person I am today and the work that I've been doing for the Tibetan movement is to do with my own desire, my own passion for Tibet, but also it's a lot to do with the skills, the knowledge and the experiences and confidence that I've learned in SFT Action Camp. And the first time I joined SFT Action Camp was in 2006 in Germany, and I went there with not much expectations, but I left with so much motivation and inspiration by listening to Laden Thetong, Tendor and Kate Wasno, and also listening to sort of non-Tibetan activists who have been pushing the boundaries for Tibet for so many years. You know, listening to their experiences and their traumatic experiences really sort of encouraged me and made me question myself, like, what can I do for Tibet, and how can I do it? And so therefore I continued to go to SFT conferences, SFT Action Camp, where I was finally able to, you know, go to China and challenge China face to face in 2008 during the Beijing Olympics. This was a great achievement for myself, and also it was a great, a challenging experience that I'll never forget, and I wouldn't have been able to do it without the SFT camp experience. And what I'm saying, if you're a Tibetan who has a desire to do something for Tibet, but you don't know where to challenge your energies, please try SFT Action Camp, okay? Because there are numerous Tibetans from around Europe who have different backgrounds, different knowledges of Tibet, and who are also like-minded, you know, like-minded Tibetan as you are, who want to learn something and do something for Tibet. So please, don't feel shy. Come to SFT Action Camp. You'll leave feeling so much more confident and with so much more skills, and you know, you'll go back to London, you'll go back to London with the encouragement to sort of inspire 2 more Tibetans to join SFT or to join the Tibetan movement, to teach 2 more people about the nomadic resettlement campaign. You can do it, I can do it, and we need to come together for 1 week, share our ideas, share our knowledge, and gain our knowledge to make our Tibetan movement stronger. So please register today with SFT Action Camp.